Niliyotoa mathithio ni Maureen Kiremi na ningetwa Maureen Kinya na nteto chetu chiriambiria thaiji. Ngavana wa kaunti ya Meru Mutumantu Ithingia ugite atitikiria kwangaratanwa ni miario ya gisiasa nontu kiria arumirite kagitene gaka ni kuritira Meru ngugi na gucokia nkuma ya kaunti u. Akiaria ari kanisene mwe gicigone kia Imenti North kiri Mambura ja kiumia kia Ndare Mutuma augite thaiji kiria kwenda ni gutigira Meru ni kugunika na utongeria bwawe. Ni atariritie tayari ni bombete kuria michara yonthe ya ariti ngugi ba kaunti ngaukano na umbere aria mishara irethairwa igitererwa nkuruki na ugite Kinya onjorithia ni bambiritie kwithirwa bagicokera kaunti ya Meru nontu nande gutena Kinya kiri gutarwa kirimantu jegie siasa itinoguni. Muthumuriuki ni agutwambiria cio.
Muthija naru etikwenkindu Gavana Meru Mutumantu Ithingia akinyete kansene Methodist aja Kinoru nikenda kuigwa kiumia na atungati ba kanseji. Muthija narua na ugite mtu onthe ena kanya korota thirikari ewe ugathoni kuthithio bwega na Kinya rete kuthithio kubaterie.
As for me, I'll be open to listen. I'll be open to hear your advice. I'll open also to listen to positive criticism. It is very good. And also to be told where things are not right, because this is a public office.
Gavana Mutuma auga mwankira nandi kwina ntu babaingi barenda gwitangwe na thirikari ya kaunti ya Meru batira ona akanya akiwa kagita gaka ibambitio cokera.
So many partners barabara ribe kwambiria withdraw from our county, from our government, not to work with the government, the leadership, the executive was not committed to the conditions and demands nikenda tuendelea na partnership in the Abas that we are going to support them and we are going to avail all what is needed for them to be available to support our development projects and development agenda of our county government ya Meru.
Na antu bambere barabashokerete ni barakuga ni baraugite baketho bakiagire municipality mwanya ndene county ya Meru.
In the few days that I've been in the office ya governor, kuna many donors that are able to withdraw from our government, but actually they are to support the urban development and urban improvement, create networking CROs. Ibara kwenda weta on Wednesday this week to Arenamo, Nairobi, na embassy ya Japan, na ndabaro mbanende. There is a political goodwill non to barauka siangabana aura nende bena ngabana benda kutinda noya kibere cha to watu wa Meru au pia available number wema toke by group this municipality, by group municipality what Mau, by group municipality ya Maua, na tuendelee ku develop more municipalities in our county na ndio kuendelea kuleta resources ndani ya county yetu.
Akiwa moroto jwawe ni gutigira itungi ba county Meru ibagwitangwe gontugo kwega akiwa nandi insurance company rerario egutegera mutujogi bwa mwiri ibombita kuminga na kuretengi iregatetheria karibaba.
Aritingugi welfare yenu is my priority. That is my #1 agenda, because when the workers are happy, when the workers are motivated, when the workers' welfare is looked into, that is the engine that could drive all other aspects ya serikali, the engine that could drive development and service delivery to Meru. So my people, Barbarian, even those who are out there, be assured that I'll do all what it takes for the leader to ensure that his people or the government is well taken care of. Promotions, michara, policy ya afya, uko penye kwezi itabukete tabu, nono kwa kwezira some of us that take covered na insurance barabara na insurance ira kuwera kutiite kuri predisposed iturengere atwareta baberu nikenda kuendelea kumenyera welfare ya timu betu nyayo temando ya meya.
In the past, we have been having a problem of backlog of the payment of the salaries for our workers of Meru. We have been having a challenge. And I want to thank Your Excellency because so far up to now, as I speak here, nobody in this county is owned a coin by the county of Meru, including the salaries for March were released last week. No debt at all. Utera andure mulitingoge inyo mwende ya Meru, Reverend Mutumas, the governor, enareo, ira kuleta kuna meri iri na idatu etire hii, iri clear.
Na muthiene kirimando ya siasa au akagite gaka atekonda kuretera mwangijo ya siasa no ntomoroto jwawe igutigara Meru ikuwa na witi na mbere na kinya urumwe.
Agita katika siasa baraba kwenda kwa predia siasa kindly let us lower the tone siasa dai nikabita ka deliver nikabita ka recover the 2.5 lost years nikenda mwadhani atote ya kuita na mbele so baraba kwenda uke ya tone siasa sitia. I'm not ready for that. I'm busy looking into how we can better our Meru community na kuchokia kinya respect, kuchokia integrity, kuchokia dignity, kuchokia Meru arabatu ile even at the national arena. That is my business, and also bringing our people, leaders, and everyone together as one community.
Muthuri Murioki, Weru Weekend, Mutujo Kangangi.
MCA wa ward ya municipality ni akathite utongeria bwangabana Mutumantu Ithingi akiuga no engabana wa mbere buru Meru kuririkana na guteya Imenti North na municipality kirite bya kithirikari Caleb Mutethia uria wari kambini akawira mbere yawe kwithirwa keberwa ugite ni untu wakweza na itibiu na ndiwe akethirwa agitetera thirikari ya ngabana mwanka muthia ni aririte kinya kungwa mauri kwa minister Barantu Ithingi endekithite akiuga bakaba korukia rukiri nikenda bambiriria ngugi ntuti.
Kidi thirikari rashikurukiite ukanyumene tutona thirikari ngitegerete wandia municipality ta thirikari ya ngabana Mutumantu Ithingia ijite migambo yakwa indi ni MCA wandia Caleb Mutethia uria ugite thirikari wikurukite ukanyumene chithirite chikeba kurukira kagita kugaite indi thaiji ni bai munini wa ngabana uria ni Linda Kiome uria uciariri North Imenti ya bure na kinyagite kia waziri wa michetho akiuga ukaberene barakaragata bwakaria bobisi batione kinyambikire thirikari wikorokete
that weekend quarters for the first time we feel that we are part and parcel of this government antu bagejochokia mathuganyo nyuma indarite ndugatha twikaraja gatekeepers twikaraja akatwitu yau akitwikitwe ngitine tubukarairie obisi wajuke thirikari bwana na tutatiga tubukariritie but at the moment we feel that we are part and parcel of this government and our brothers and sisters can have a reason to be happy kugana na ru artist kwigintu tumbiko gwirirwa ko ni DMC wa municipality ankwira antu betu ba municipality no ntwa iyo twene headquarters na that itu tumba kwithwa itu to supporting government na ekegikano ni mu support. We are supporting Mutumantu Ithingi 100%.
Kingima waziri bangabana Mutumantu Ithingi bara rotere berigeri go kinyakire mbunge ya Meru ntuko ya Alhamisi kiumia kejete kenda baka thojwe MCA Mutethia ariuga baka bakurukia rukere na wona banywa muma bambere kurita ngogyoryo ni untuko tena kagita kagutana no mwanka mu Meru aditerongo weko egita rere tigere
bakurukie rukiri na the next day tatu tumare abo tuka launch mirandi tuba Meru twina murandi jwa youth jwa vijana bya bonda bonda beyond the municipality jwa more than 10 million aja town na mugutano itubati kulonchi murandi jo ituthithia murandi jwa Kabros jwa youth jwa tukuthithia kadithiria itumare twite tuju launch na governor Mutuma Ntoithikia itu launch murandi jwa urimi within municipality smart farming ira tukuthithia mantu poultry farming. These other things iri kwarirwa na aja are unnecessary to the people, and we will not give anyone the opportunity whatsoever opportunity ejo twangaratania kairimu yake wiri tigera
na nandi to yage siasa mberete kumira MC Muteithia duwa katika gitaku akethira ngabana Ntoithikia ni mwegembe ariuga kini mumiru na nabati kwethira ke wakanya karitira mumiru ngoge
tutikwandikwa Mutuma imwegembe tutikwandikwa Mutuma imutigania kaimwimenti tuga Mutuma Ntoithikia imumiru na naye weshimara kwithira mwana mumiru. Now, if at all there is anyone who feels anything less of that, neje that way aturi to amwira bwaga nkurukina tigana mutano ri tengugi na nduga kukeja kutho wonu kuigwa kungenta buru ubati wito angentera mwe kuroku kana angentera mukuroku mantu akweja guturingithia tumakinkwa nantu bakendi kwambia uturingithia thai. There is no one who will sit down and listen to that kind of noise nonto itonogi antu ibanogi tuchoke twitire antu ngugi
nke reportra tito shewero weekendi reakwari ni Mutuge Kare
Mwanki jwa siasa Antwa Jothira Ijakanande jogotamba tekerigiti kiongabanake ende kinya obunge bobwezete kumania na nkrithano gatigati ka mubunge wa Central Imenti Kirimango Shine na speaker wa mbunge ya county ya Meru uria ugite akaruira giti kio bunge gisigone kiu baire baba ne bona netie guchokaniria miario o muntu akionania noe ukubwira kutongeria akariba Central Imenti na kirigiti kiongabana nawe munya aigika miario ya kuga ngabana Mutuma kagwatirite giti kiu ntubure butigite akiudwa Mwanki jwa siasa na kinyamuthiene ethirwa akirombore kiri na nyuma ya ngabana Mutuma gutara a minister bawe mubunge rendikiri oneka kurega kunganirwa na kinya kuga gisigo kiu ni gitigi mpione ni untugote na mtu kinyomwe utari kuma ku ntuburingerie iguru ni baingi. Mwandiki wetu Wantito Morgan Mwiti na kuenja inja izi kiri gichunki ya siasa ugorobwa narwa
Ohure gukia no siasa cha Meru igweta na mbere ikirutaira na guchencha mwitire kwa ngerekano kimigiki igukujira nkuchenyo amuna nchokaniria miario atongeria bakigiria kuthimana kathari na gwekanira mitego muroto jo munene juri kithurano gya 2027 gitikia mubunge wa Central Imenti ikiambiritia gukuchiria speaker wa mbunge ya Meru Ayubu Bundi uria wambiritia gukirithana na mubunge wa Ntere Kirimango Chine. Speaker Bundi augite kirima utiwiti na mbere akureta Central Imenti na jarawe ya kureta neka kirima akurwa nazo na nande speaker Bundi na tumiritia kurunga magitikio kia mubunge wa Central Imenti kenda kuthimana na kirima
uthano uthuri ukarawirwa kana maendeleo jaraja leo batiromba jaku urete na wananchi batetheke na boje ire inkarete nkira nyamwe shimwa nkamwere nya street lighting gwekera chionde kuma kirigara nyweri Kaguma charia chionde na nao Mariene University na yite yawe na naye procedure ire thingatawa na nya transforma ingwekira antu iba Central Imenti bagwekirwa na yite yawe na karego natige kare akirwaga nani ndeta kurombera antu gintu nuntu into bira nkuromba te into bya muntu kiombe ni into byotethia mwananchi na nowe na njukumu ire batiweta akiromba nuntu ate kumba kuromba theni uronge ukaromba ri uthuku bwa yako gitatia akwiwa
nawe Kirimango Chine na akararitie nteto cia Ayubu Bundi kurunga magiti akiuga Bundi ni mtu wa kuaragania
ni yankwenda kuromba mira mheshimiwa Kirima thene kuti Ayubu nonto we uge kwikorwa nani ogwe nuronere ntibati konana nene yankuruki lakini yankwenda kwira gitikia mujumbe ndiku igana kwegana chatungangane wananchi bakona nonto ndayankaria jarantithitie
kile twa gutonya kwa ngabana 2017 immediately speaker amberia kurwana kile twa leo atanoka ai minority leader kwatuika akurwana kiraito arwanwe mwanka miaka 5 yathira erujaga na kiraito kiraito kuthira miaka 5 kiraito ashindwa kura speaker ambiria kurwa no leo kurukiri oleo ngabana Kawira arwana Kawira mwanka miaka iri ewe kurukite na nusu ekuruka na nde Kawira agwitwa riu araritero ikoti ndo ya Kawira ethira na nontu no speaker no mwanka kare akirujaga atemenya gukarane ni beronti etikurwa nontu kutejwe there na yo akwira ntu wathira iba na arakwina ndo aki na nde nontu Kawira na rumira no mwanka achwe muntu okurwanwe na nde urachwite na nde okurwanwe ikirima na nde na mbiritie ndo ana uni akabwa irinya gwigite okenda gutikia the end of the day bokona gutikia kethira kenda get settlement indwe ne ari nontu ngugewe akarari ndo ndurua
okagita ka ubundi akigeria kwambata kirima gitikio ngavana kaunti ya Meru igikuchiritie Peter Munya uria wamberetie gukirithana na ngavana Mutuma Ntwethingia. Munya ndaugite 2027 na gutwa gitiki kio ngavana agita Mutuma ngavana wa kugwatira
nde itara kinyare kurwa ri na ya campaign kante ya kakwende Ntwethingia we tekanya kawe wakagatia rate ate au Kanane atabokuwa tebokuwa to atelenda kae to wati ntukoisha tiara ita wa interim
ni arana we ngavana Mutuma Ntwethingia erite Munya netete na mbere kwaria na Rais Ruto amuchwere ngugithirikari nenene kenda atiga kurura matorene na atetheria Meru ukama mawega ja thirikari
na ne bona onto turema wa Your Excellency first ngavana wa Meru nderere monene wetu president wa Kenya ndamwira kwina kurubaire bari Meru batebatire kwithira be maturene na babatire kwithira bari Kenyera nene batunganganira nara kurubange ba oparanya na banjoho na baraila na bakalonso bari ndaromba rais ayokie Munya amwenguge no ntwitwichi muritingwe ethire ari Kenyera nene nikenda twithira twina kurubo turetra into Meru ibo kwenda bo kana gatatithiria makosa ibo kwenda bo
Meru ewu ya Munya niretete murutira kaunti ya Meru na murutira juju na ndicho tumite Munya au gasore kire Mutuma
techo wakiara mheshimiwa Wirani kuno ndari riero lakini tena agena mbaya kwa ubaya interim na chunko ni munda Tavi hakuna mtu mtusi na siwezi kutusi mtu kande wakili remwende marito wakili ya yake ya madhwani ene yako mtu ndio wakili ito interim kwa muda fulani si ndio hivyo inasema kwa hivyo hakuna matusi lakini kama ni makosa basi sinisamewe kama nilisema makosa kusema kwako kwa muda kabla tutafute kura na mimi nitakuwa huko kwa hiyo kinyang'anyiro nikitafuta na nikasema pia ni haki yake atafute kama anataka kuna makosa hapo lakini mwanzo wakudabona makosa na njia mwanya ndio kada kuionda abudhirie kambu ni permanent ndio yeto opposite ya interim permanent
nyuma ya ngavana Mutuma kuthura kanje wa ministeri akaritana iria nongoge mantu ijamberetia kuruma mubunge wa Bori Mugambire Ndikiri na ugete ati Bori etionete gitikinya kimwe kyo minister ara okitie toi onto bubu ibokanukitwe na inyantere cha Bori kuringana na siasa na kariba Bori ni ati Reverend Karo Kaberia urothurija minister wa biashara ni mwana wa Bori MCA Babori barugani ati Ndikiri gakwenda kubaruithia na ngavana Mutuma onto brabati tayari kuthithia
ndigaretie iri Ndikiri kona turingira thimu agitwiraga Bori etugutigwa nyuma eti ngavana Mutuma atera thura tubabore etiba tugwatanire twambirie gukasifu ngavana kintu kirambo gukwera mheshimiwa Ndikiri tafadhali ono ukandingira thimu chandwa
teweja nayo ukinyira rukongoro ngavana anira nayo wejete otwira gite ya CEC gireko ugakiriria
kintu kirambo gukwera mheshimiwa Ndikiri tafadhali ono
ngabana ogakiriria thirikari bangwe na mutuma ati a control ndi ati ugo echita chairman wa MP ote chairman ethero chairman wa MP kabata tere Kiruto chairman wa MCAs no ore munene wa MCAs ingabana Bobezete twabakurukia bonthe no ntugugwe ngugie kwi guturetera ndo atutumba gutura ndo ene gitare yonthe
murutira jojo gisiasa aja Meru ijutambite toiyaju mwanka itindanira thirikari nene nyuma yora wari minister urimi aja Nthiguru na Mithika Linturi nora wari munini wa rais Geoffrey Rigathi Gachagua kwingo rais Ruto Gachagua na mbirite kumbura mothuki ja thirikari ya Kenya Kwanza Gachagua kuma tene ende na twire kuga Linturi neka engiro atina etia
Turi performed beyond expectation. And he just got caught up in this reorganization because of the political dynamics of the country. But it is not because Linturi failed to perform. Mimi nilifanya kazi na yeye na rais na Linturi mtoto wetu alifanya kazi vile inatakikana. But CS, I want to encourage you. There is always the God of a second chance. Yeah? Na hakuna mlango Mungu anafunga bila kufungua kingine. We are praying for you. We wish you well. But I want as you walk around in Meru, walk with your head tall. Don't feel like you did anything wrong. It's only that the dynamics went beyond our control, despite your very, very excellent performance in the cabinet. Lakini wewe tulia. Iko Mungu mbinguni.
Mbere ya gamba ya fertilizer enthuku Linturi ari waziri wena ugite ati gukira nuntu nkorone yawe na izi atena etia.
Usinihurumie mimi. Bana sitaki wale wananiandikia message pole nini pole nini. Mimi ukiniangalia sasa mimi niko katika serikali na rais anajua ile kazi mimi ninafanya. Ukiangalia sasa na wakati ule nilikuwa nahangaishwa na Uhuru Kenyatta na Kinandisi hai huku. Si unaona tofauti mambo ilibadilika. Sasa unafikiria mimi ni mtu wa kutishwa ama kuhangaishwa na watu? Hapana. Nyinyi niombeeni tu niwe na nguvu, nihangaike, pamba tukuze, tufungue engineering, tulete cool hapa, avocado tutengeneze, Wakenya wawe na chakula ya kutosha.
Na Nandi Gachagua na umbirite ati mothuki jonthe ja thirikari Ruto jabangairwo State House na kinya kithora Linturi na ari waziri inya ya ministry orimi
ake awaelewi pale iko pale haiko. Mimi ndio kiongozi wa ile wizara na mimi I only report to my boss na anaelewa hiyo maneno.
When Mithika Linturi was appointed Minister of Agriculture, the president and Felix Kosgei were running the ministry. Mithika Linturi was just a flower girl in the ministry. And I can tell you, they wanted to fix him about fertilizer. All fertilizer is procured at State House. Yeah? The president determines to buy from who, at how much. It is the president who does that with Felix Kosgei. So when they were trying to fix Linturi, when they brought bad fertilizer. So when the report came from KEBS, saying this fertilizer is bad, President William Ruto ordered Linturi when they brought bad fertilizer. So when the report came from KEBS, saying this fertilizer is bad, President William Ruto ordered Linturi to allow the fertilizers to come in and forget about it. I told the president, you cannot do that. You know, Mithika Linturi is innocent. It is yourself and Felix Kosgei who are buying fertilizer in State House.
Morgan Mwiti, Gichunki gya siasa, Weru TV.
Hita na mbere kurumira nteto chietu tuchokere kumenyithia nteto nkuruki.
Kambuni yetu ya Rhino Mabati egwethete maguriko gwithie kugwithia kiri mabati jonthe. Kenero ofa yetu special ya factory kiri mabati jonthe za tile profile za Germania tile, Jamii tile, Espana tile, Jamii tile na Roman Jamil tile gauge 28 made. Ara maguricha gwete kuma magana jana na za mirongo ere monka magana mugwanja za 45 wa kilomita, gauge 30 made kuma 680 na ndene 625 for meter na 40229609 weka order yaku. Ameru ndewerere mbere ng'ombe gekaragwa. Rhino Mabati, mabati jeto tokarie bieto. Rhino Mabati, do it best on top.
That's me having the worst day ever. But then I saw them and I knew my besties were both going through it. And that's when I had an idea. That's OT. The socials are having him right now, but not for long. And that's Chico, certified stress girly and goated producer. So we get to the spot, and what do these guys do? And just like that, I was having the best day ever. Sharing a Coke with my faves. Who will you share a Coke with?
Tukugwate ogani Imperial College of Medical and Health Sciences. Ngogea undagitare yamba area wamba kumenya kireo kwenda kuthomera kenda getane na kiroto giaku.
Our main objective is to offer transformative and relevant medical and health sciences courses.
Bowi boma shukuru enjaga ya undagitare egitaga ora college chionde cio undagitare batiko geta kuthuranira ritwa kenda bomba kwa ajie motungata ja mega na ere enjaga buru egatara ritwa gutungata ajie boega nthegorone onthe.
We are producing quality graduates to serve Kenya and Africa.
As a student in Imperial College, I enjoy several benefits, such as using the advanced school library, which has several course books that are required in the field of medicine.
Kiu kiongwa ni kio kethiraja Imperial College of Medical and Health Sciences. To kwa guarantee ugakenera gukaragwa kwaja. Kwiritanirya kweja na motungata ja maririte ikio kethiraja. Uteko ringa ndari. Twenda gazera mega kire ritobeto kenda batethenika kwa mandagitari bena mwanya na bakuorotwa.
Imperial College of Medical and Health Sciences is the best medical college in town.
Join us and enjoy the best.
Ojuka nebo mweri jwe tano nibwetete na mbere. Itoko gwato geni. Nonto wa manto nkuroki arandia na tuko kurokira 0719-223-223 kana waandike email kire admissions@icmhs.co.ke kana weta kire www.icmhs.co.ke. Imperial College of Medical and Health Sciences, committed to professional excellence.
Si niliwaambia? Halo? Niletee kama kawaida.
Kama sio kavagara, wacha kiumane. Ulisikia wapi sherehe bila kavagara?
Wanaoijua wanaijua, eti kavagara ya ugali na chapo zinaongoza sokoni. Kama hujakula ugali ya kavagara, usiseme umekula ugali. Chapo yapendeza na ugali je?
Hii chapati ni tamu sana.
Omera, sherehe bila kavagara sio sherehe.
Dukani usitishe unga, itisha kavagara.
You are living proof that we can control